Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your devices running smoothly. Today, we're tackling how to update Google Play Store in 2025. With rapid advancements in mobile tech, keeping your Play Store updated is essential for accessing the newest apps, enhancing security, and fixing bugs. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother updating? In 2025, Google Play Store updates include improved AI recommendations, better privacy controls, and faster download speeds. It's a quick process that ensures your Android device stays secure and performs at its best. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one with the colorful shopping bag icon. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Look for Settings or Manage Apps and Device in that menu, then select Play Store version or About to check for updates. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. Step 4. Tap Update if it's there, and the app will download and install automatically. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using your data. If you run into issues, like the update not showing up, try clearing the cache of the Play Store app. Go to your device's settings, find apps, select Google Play Store, and clear cache. Restart your device, and try again. Also, ensure your device's software is up to date, as Play Store updates often depend on that. And there you have it. Your Google Play Store is now updated and ready for 2025's exciting features. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.